Hello and welcome to Sun Dragon Tips and Tricks. I'm Rebecca. I'm the owner of Sun Dragon Art and Fiber in downtown Brevard, North Carolina. This is a quick message. I have not been filming throughout the months of September and October, and that's because I've really been focusing on our virtual and in-person classes on these top-down colorwork sweaters. And I hope to return to making videos for public access on the YouTube channel in November. And I might do some refreshed videos on this. There'll be pieces of what people in the Zoom classes are learning. I've mentioned before, I did a couple of other videos about how you can buy those videos. I'm gonna have them up on a private YouTube links in perpetuity probably. So that's been a great series. It's gone really well. I'm coming to you today about a slightly different thing. Sun Dragon has an opportunity to move, and we are taking it. I film here at home. Our public location in downtown Brevard, we have an opportunity to move 3/10 of a mile down the road to a place that is twice as big with parking out front. And we not only are going to need to be shut down for a week in November, but we are also trying to make this space the best space it can be, the best space for our customers. I know a lot of you who watch are not local, but this is a way that you can invest in the future of Sun Dragon and the future of what we do here. Most of the videos I make, if it's not the Zoom sessions, they are free for you to access on YouTube. I'm happy to provide that service when I have the energy to make videos. And this is by no means, well, you watch my videos, so now it's time to give back. It kind of is, but it's okay if you can't. But I'm putting the call out to all the people I've helped with my ranunculus videos, with my pressed flowers videos, with the Papillon videos, and beyond that, the regular, just kind of fundamental techniques and things like that. If you have the funds to spare and you feel like this is appropriate, we would love for you to donate to our moving fund. And like I said again, if you can't, that's okay. I still want to keep making these videos, and I still want to provide the ways for you to keep crafting. It's really important to me. Liz and I were talking if everyone who's been moved by the ranunculus videos or helped by them could donate $5. That would be amazing and huge, absolutely huge. So pretty much no donation is too small. I would like to list here the thank yous that we're doing. So we have an online shop and we have an in-person shop. And we have a rewards point system where you get little stamps on a card. If I was thinking ahead, I would have it with me, but I'm at home and they're at the shop. We have a card that has 24 spaces on it, and one space is filled by every $10 spent at the shop, either on inventory or lessons, pre-tax. And when you fill the 24, you get $25 of shop credit. The way we're doing thank yous for this, and again, you can spend them from afar. Once you earn the credit, our online shop doesn't know how to redeem it, but you can call us. This is mostly the thank yous this way are mostly for US customers because we have a hard time shipping overseas. If I can come up with a way to do thank yous for our faraway customers, if it's something, it could be that we can bank this credit and you could use it for lessons in the future, the Zoom sessions that we're doing, which people are joining from all over the country. I definitely want to make that work. So what we have set up right now is every $15 donated gets 2 stamps, what would normally take spending $20. Every $15 donated gets 2 stamps on this rewards card. At the point of $150, then you get the credit of a full rewards card, which is $25. You get $25 of shop credit for every $150 of donation. If you'd rather have a discount at that level for the shop rather than the credit, the other option is going to be 15% off a purchase. I can get you a code for that. $300 is the equivalent of 2 full rewards cards or $50 of shop credit or 20% off a purchase. You get to choose. $600 is the equivalent of 4 rewards cards or $100 of shop credit or 25% off a purchase. You get to choose. If you're someone outside the country, that shop credit is better because you can use it on Zoom classes in the future when we start doing other Zoom sessions. And then $1,000 is our top tier kind of, and that one is $150 of shop credit or 30% off a purchase in shop or online. So to go through those again, anything up to 150, we're calling those the Viking torchbearers. We jokingly call customers in the shop Vikings because they come and pillage the shop. And we mean that in the most loving way possible. We tear up the shop to help you find yarn, and we love every minute of it. So Viking torchbearers is everything up to $150. The $150 level is a bronze Viking. The $300 level is a silver Viking. The $600 level is a gold Viking, and the $1,000 level is a platinum Viking. But as I said at the beginning, everything helps. $5. Everything is amazing to help us create the space that, help us help you, but help us create the ideal space that we want to be inviting and comforting for our shoppers. And for you, if you come to visit or take a class or those kinds of things. So please consider this. Like I said, it is not necessary, and I'm going to keep providing free videos as well as the pay Zoom sessions that we're building. I just can't do them at the same time. So I will put the links. We have a GoFundMe option, and we also have a way you can donate directly on our shop's online website. We'd like to put names up of people in those tiers who have helped create this magical space we want to move to in November. You can always make an anonymous donation or tell us you don't want your name listed on the sign we'd like to put up of those who made the move possible. And thanks for considering. I want to help people however I can. And if you're able to help us with this, great. If it's not within your means, I totally understand. And it's what you can when you can. That's the same thing I do when I have the energy. I'm making videos for y'all. And I will return to that in November after the move. Some of that may be related to these top-down sweaters, and some of that might be new topics. We'll just see what we can do. So, as I always like to say, may your crafting be filled with joy and confidence. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.